Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to trade options on Sofi, a popular online trading platform that offers a range of investment products, including options. Trading options can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn higher returns. But it requires a solid understanding of the underlying concepts and strategies. First, let's start with the basics. Options are contracts that give the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price, known as the strike price. There are two main types of options: calls and puts. Calls give the buyer the right to buy the underlying asset, while puts give the buyer the right to sell the underlying asset. To trade options on Sofi, you'll need to open a brokerage account and fund it with money. Once your account is set up, you can navigate to the options trading section of the platform. Sofi offers a range of options trading tools and resources, including educational materials, real-time quotes, and trading charts. To place an options trade, you'll need to select the underlying asset, choose the type of option, and set the strike price and expiration date. You'll also need to decide whether to buy or sell the option, and how many contracts to trade. It's essential to have a clear understanding of the options trading terminology, including terms like delta, gamma, and theta. One key concept to understand is the concept of volatility. Options are highly sensitive to changes in volatility, and even small changes can have a significant impact on the value of the option. It's also essential to understand the concept of time decay, which refers to the loss of value of an option over time. When trading options, it's crucial to have a solid risk management strategy in place. This includes setting clear goals, managing your position size, and using stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. It's also essential to stay informed and up-to-date with market news and trends, as these can have a significant impact on the value of your options. In terms of best practices, it's essential to start with a solid understanding of the underlying asset in the options market. It's also crucial to set clear goals and risk parameters, and to regularly review and adjust your trading strategy. Additionally, it's essential to use the resources and tools available on the Sofi platform, including the Options Trading Simulator, to practice and refine your trading skills. Finally, let's look at a practical example of how to trade options on Sofi. Suppose you want to buy a call option on a stock with a current price of $50. You expect the stock price to rise to $60 in the next few weeks, and you want to buy a call option with a strike price of $55 and an expiration date in 2 weeks. You can use the Sofi platform to place the trade, and you'll need to pay the premium, which is the cost of the option. In conclusion, trading options on Sofi can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn higher returns. However, it requires a solid understanding of the underlying concepts and strategies, as well as a clear risk management plan. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can get started with trading options on Sofi and potentially achieve your investment goals.